Meaning of everlasting.
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 Everlasting. Everlasting refers to something that is eternal, without end or lasting for a very long time. It implies a sense of perpetuity, timelessness, and permanence, such as an everlasting friendship or love. The term is often used to describe things that are enduring, unchanging, and seemingly infinite. It can also refer to qualities like immortality, durability, and persistence. Overall, everlasting denotes a state of being that will continue into the indeterminate future, implying an absence of decay, deterioration, or decline.